You got it, Uncle Larry?
Yep.
Okay. Straight down. Straight down. Do it again.
Okay.
Do it again.
Is he hitting the anvil or the rod?
Alright, let's go back to the heat.
Into the heat.
It's a round bar. I don't know if it's from you.
Okay.
We're smelting.
Okay, Robbie, give her some cranks.
We're smelting.
Yeah, it must be mine. So.
Hi, Aunt Jane.
Yeah, I think that it'll make that blow a lot more.
This is good for your finish in your car too, Aunt Jane.
All right, buddy. We'll see you in a little while. All right, bye. Thank you.
Thanks, Brad. This is awesome.
A little harder, okay? Okay, real fast, you get the heat up. Okay.
It was weird looking through this. I still got it recording.
Oh yeah, you're just watching it off.
Yeah, you guys are still live. But there was like a delayed action looking through the hit and like watching someone do a fence post a distance away or something. Not as hot as you, Aunt Jane. Yeah, it really shouldn't be more than a step away, right?
Yeah, it's getting a little cold where we're at.
Watch out, cat.
Yeah, I'm gonna go quick. Yep, keep going. Where was Jane going?
Okay, she went somewhere. Yes, I am.
Here we go. Right on the end, everybody. Right on the end. Hit it hard. Alright. Hit it again. Straight down, straight down. You just hit in the same space. Don't worry about the metal. I'm going to move it in now. Keep going. You just go up and down you just go to the same spot. Attaboy. Now you're learning. Whether I'm in there or not, just hit up and down. Okay. Back to the fire.
Yes.
You're getting it flat.